I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily, jumping right into the market. Today in crypto, Bitcoin, 4-hour chart. What's going on here? Bitcoin put in a nice impulsive move higher earlier this morning. Now, we need to talk about potentially there's an FOMC meeting where the Fed in the United States is going to announce a rate increase. Expect some volatility around 2 p.m. Now, they're talking about 25 basis points. That's what the market expects, 25 basis points. If it's anything other than that, it could shake the market. So, and the concern is so much this adjustment to the rates. It would be, potentially how do they continue to raise the rates after this to slow inflation? Inflation's at 40-year highs. They have to do something. I mean, real quickly, in a second, they could stop inflation. They could raise the rates by 8%, but then we'd be in a depression. We'd be in a recession. So they have to raise the rates slowly, taper, if you will, in order to start to control inflation and not completely tank the entire economy in the United States. So that happens 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Set your clocks. Expect some volatility around that. We just want it to fall at 25 basis points and shouldn't affect the market too much. So they're going to raise the rates every single meeting, they said. Now, with what's going on in the Ukraine, obviously, they could take it easy, and hopefully they do so. Bitcoin 4-hour chart. So Bitcoin had this impulsive move to the upside. We talked about how in order for the bulls to show up and really do anything, they needed to break above this level, about 39,500, and hold it. So you've broken above this level. Now you need a bullish retest, upside continuation. First target, 42,200. Next target, 44,500. You want to be bullish on this market? You get a break and retest to the upside here, and you're looking at $52,000 Bitcoin potentially if that happens. You got this possible double bottom, but I mean, confirmation is up here. So things headed in the right direction. You just you got to hold this level. You must hold 39,500 for the bulls. Banging. I've got some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group. This person, 40x his money, joined the group, 8 months time. He's up to almost $3 million. He said, "You've made me a multimillionaire. You changed my life forever." This person started out in the group, had a couple days off. He took $780 and turned it into $1,250. That's 50%. Then lost a little bit. Now he turned $610 into $2,240. So again, he's 3x his money that he originally started with in just a week. Huge. This person is at $170,000 in a few months. They went from 14,000 to 170,000. That's over 10x. 10x their money. Huge. Bang it. You've got to be in the right coins. I'm telling you, you have to be in the right coins. Listen, I'm going to continue running the New Year's special, 60% off plus $100 discount. Make sure. Change your life. New Year's resolution. Get rich in crypto. If you're interested in joining my cryptocurrency trading group, go to my website, cryptorev.net. If you pay with cryptocurrency for 6 months or 12 months, it's 50% off. If you pay for the year, you get 1 additional month for free. You can always choose to pay on a monthly basis from month to month with a card. Just click this link. Or if you go down to the description, you can click this link to the website. If you have any questions or you need to email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. We'll get you on the team today. This is MBL movie block. We nailed this thing for 69% and then it exploded 111%. We nailed Rune so many times it got crazy. 62%. I think recent update on this is 40%. We nailed Lit for 92%. This is all this week. Banging. We got to talk about two coins. Solana. Solana was the golden child of the altcoin bull market. This thing took off and we nailed a ton of upside for Solana. At some point, this thing is going to dead cat bounce. Could it be here? You've got this falling wedge. 68% chance this breaks to the upside. When Solana does bounce, it's probably going to follow Bitcoin. And I think you can see 65% returns out of Solana based on what Bitcoin could possibly do. Everything is dependent on Bitcoin. Bitcoin's a driver. Bitcoin decides what happens in this market. But you do have some bullish divergence potentially on Solana, falling wedge. And again, if Bitcoin acts right, this thing breaks out, you can see some explosive upside out of Solana. So this is one to watch. Again, this is an if-then statement, not for sure, but hey, if Bitcoin acts right, Solana is going to be one to keep your eyes on. HSBC banking giant partners with metaverse firm Sandbox. This is huge. We wanted banking and crypto to collide, meet, work together, and it's happened. So the British bank, HSBC, acquired a plot of land in the metaverse startup virtual world. This is going to be developed to just Sandbox in general. You're going to have entertain sports, esports, gaming, finance professionals. There's a lot of possibilities, big possibilities for Sandbox going forward to have banks set up in their metaverse. So this is Sand. It's moving. It has some volume. This news came out. You got this triple bottom down here. Triple bottom. The best entry is going to be a pullback and then retest. This might take some time to continue to develop, and Bitcoin obviously has to act right. But these are the coins that you want to be watching. You could see $3.30, $3.60. This is not buy right now. This is if you get a retest, if Bitcoin comes back and pulls back here and gives you that retest, that's going to be a really good entry for Sand with their partnership with HSBC. Want to get a quick video out to you guys. Thanks so much for making this all possible. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.